It's a little cold. Maybe I should have filled it up with summer water, not fall when it's been in the 30s. And it's windy out. Okay, I know I'm hesitating here. All right, make sure we got nothing in our pockets. Whew. Well, the nice thing is it's easy to step in. The not nice thing is it's cold. Oh my word, it's cold. So I'm 5'9", 195 pounds. My feet and legs are now numb. All right, so the best thing to do is just do it, right? That's cold. So, if it's your first time doing something like person, I don't believe that, I don't like putting my head under cold water for the shock, because I don't think that's good for you. I don't think the shocking of your brain is too good. You know, the cold submerging, your head maintains a temperature. So I don't believe that it's good to just dip your head in freezing water. Yeah, that's my opinion. It differs for people. But so once you're actually sitting in, it takes a little bit time, but you pretty much kind of go numb in a way. And I want to say it does get easier until you get more areas. Now, what I'm noticing is you don't have to fill it up the whole way, and in fact, you don't have to fill it up a lot. I would say a little bit past halfway, because your body weight actually is pushing the water up. So as you guys might be able to see it, some water starting to leak out at the side because of our body weight. But I must say, I can fit in here fine. I can sit in here. Oh, moving around is not fun though. So yeah. All right. Well, it does work. It does hold up pretty well. I am probably, my feet are as white as a ghost, because that was cold. That was cold, my friends. I recommend you guys review this in the summertime. Now, if you take a look here, you can see it is sagging down over here. So it kind of sagged a little bit to the bracket line, which is okay. It's not going to cause any issues.